थोड़ा बड़ा कर देंगे, देखो जी ये है। I'm gonna need a minute to think about this a little bit.
It was at this moment that he knew.
ये लो, चालू हो गया।
बनाऊं?
हाँ बनाओ बनाओ।
सर क्या ट्राई करेंगे आप? एक्सप्रेसो, कैपेचिनो, लाटे, फ्रेश व्हाइट?
सर मेनू में कैपेचिनो है, एस्प्रेसो है, कॉफी लाते हैं।
कॉफी लाते हैं? कहाँ लाते हैं? तुम तो पढ़ रहे हो।
वो तो मैं आपकी मदद कर रहा था सर। मेरी माँ हमेशा कहती है जिनकी आंखें कमजोर हो उन्हें पढ़ने का कष्ट नहीं देना चाहिए।
Welcome back to Informal Sharmal. I'm your host Sharmal, and this is a specialty coffee with Sharmal Aahar India Trade Hospitality Fair edition. This is part one of a two-part series about Aahar, which is basically the International Trade Fair organization of India. And if you are a specialty and craft beverages enthusiast, if you're basically a cafe owner, or you're someone who's looking to build a cafe, if you're basically like myself into brewing coffee at home, or in general you're into getting into the world of these craft beverages like specialty coffee, matcha, or anything else, even like a kombucha, and basically building the next big brand in hospitality, this video is for you. And if you want to get the best kind of machines for these purposes, you need to watch this video till the end, because your mind is about to be blown. I did some very interesting things, like have a bunch of coffees from one of the best coffee machines in the world, as well as even drip coffee brewing with a actual Japanese maestro in the world of coffee. Go ahead, and also, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. You need to subscribe to stay tuned for the next one that comes out ASAP. Espresso, 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 espresso. As you can see, this place is a mess. This place is the worst. I am leaving. ये सिक्योरिटी खत्म नहीं होती प्रगति मैदान में. Damn bro, crazy. 2 घंटे तो ऐसे ही लग गए. Absolutely mind blown by this. भाई कितने लोग हैं, शार्क टैंक ने वाट लगा रखी है इस देश की. I thought people were into hospitality, but इतना ज़्यादा नहीं. Let's see what the damn coffee world is about, bro. Crazy हो गए तो. Whew. I was not ready for this. Not ready for this at all. Let's go find the coffee stuff. On the folks at Tokai and Karabi. Doing some kind of a start. There's a storm. Brewing up a storm.
So our espresso is actually a ristretto. Yeah, perfect volume. So yeah, that makes it good. On the opera, right?
What a storm brewing indeed. And now we're gonna probably make our way from Karabi Coffee Roastery towards some other folks like El Bueno Roastery, who I'm pointing to right now. Another wonderful place. You'll see them in the following vlogs. And Coffee Machines, the folks who started Something's Brewing, aka our homies. And this is just me admiring the La Marzocco Strada, which is kind of like the Ferrari of coffee machines. Onwards, onto the vlog. What's up? And we're here. Oh, nice fellow. I already have this one, and no, these are not the ones that I have. But I do have some of those products that you just saw in the Aahar vlog at the stall for Something's Brewing. In fact, this grinder right here, which is the Baratza Encore ESP, a phenomenal grinder for home brewers like myself that's been trusted by professionals across the world, was bought by me with Something's Brewing's help, and they are a phenomenal source of coffee related products and coffee beans itself as well. You can literally go and pick up anything from there right now. And since you've been watching my video, and I'm sure you've hit like, I'm sure you've subscribed, and I'm pretty sure you're going to comment something funky in the comments down below, I'd like to repay that gesture of funkiness by giving you a discount code. That's right, discount code. I'd like to give you a informal discount code where you can go to the link in the description and type in informal. That's right, informal at the checkout and get a special Sharmal discount on all things coffee. So go knock yourself out, use the code while it's live. It's live right now, and get started on your coffee journey. Home, barista, cafe level, commercial, whatever it is, get started. Get your coffee products ASAP. Come on, I'll see you sometime into the vlog now. ये लो, चालू हो गया।
बनाऊं
हाँ बनाओ बनाओ।
सर क्या ट्राई करेंगे आप? एक्सप्रेसो, कैपेचिनो, लाटे, फ्रेंच ब्रेड?
सर मेनू में कैपेचिनो है, एस्प्रेसो है, कॉफी लाते हैं।
कॉफी लाते हैं? कहाँ लाते हैं? तुम तो पढ़ रहे हो।
वो तो मैं आपकी मदद कर रहा था सर। मेरी माँ हमेशा कहती है जिनकी आंखें कमजोर हो उन्हें पढ़ने का कष्ट नहीं देना चाहिए।
आप क्या कहते हो? मैं कुछ दूध वाली यार, समथिंग विद मिल्क। हाँ, फ्लैट वाइट इज़ गुड। आप लोगों को याद होगा सर हमें मिले थे एल बोएना पे, और उनने हमारा ध्यान, और मेरा पहला उनने यहाँ दे तुम सब, मेरी पहली लाटे आर्ट का भी वो एक्सपेरिमेंट मैंने डाला था।
करना चाहता हूँ, आज भी आप ही करें।
मैं ही करूँ? चलो ठीक है, ओके, आ जाता हूँ मैं यहाँ लगा रहा हूँ कैमरा अपना। एल बोएनो। हाँ, आप कर दो, आर्ट मैं करूँगा। मैं ये ले आता हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए। We are on a La Cimbali, I don't know the pronunciation, but OG coffee machines, and Shubham at El Bueno has always been helpful with us. हमारे रोस्ट्री वाले व्लॉग में भी you will see him there. अब मेरी बारी, ठीक है ना? Let's see what I managed today. Pay close attention to Shubham's face and how he's working very hard not to make fun of me, but finally with a lot of guidance, some support, the help of the coffee overlords, and finally शुभम भाई के थोड़ी असिस्टेंस के साथ हम फाइनली पहुंच ही गए अपने मार्गदर्शन करने लाटे आर्ट के वर्ल्ड में। एंड हियर वी गो।
सर आपने
केवल बना दिया,
थोड़ा सा बड़ा नहीं हुआ।
बड़ा नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा बड़ा कर देंगे। देखो जी, कुछ तो बना है, कुछ तो बना है ना।
यहाँ से हाँ,
ये लेट्स गो। थैंक यू दोस्त। ठीक है ना। खाली पेट कॉफ़ी पीने के बाद मेरे दिमाग के घोड़े खुल चुके थे एंड आई हैड टू गो ईट सम फूड। मैंने ये पिज़्ज़ा जल्दी से अपने मुंह में लाया, उसका सेवन किया और जल्दी जल्दी भागा टुवर्ड्स द रियल शो ऑफ द इवेंट। लेट्स गो।
it's got coffee
Wash it because I am an Indian. I need to wash.
Pani. Need to wash it. Yeah, no, I hear you.
But
With the drip meister. Deep 27. Different style of brewing altogether.
Give me 5 minutes.
For everyone who's new to the specialty coffee world, जो सब नए हैं यहाँ पे, ये एक ड्रिप माइस्टर नाम के विजेता हैं कॉफ़ी के, जिनने बड़ा फेमस कॉफ़ी इक्विपमेंट बनाया है और एक आइकॉन सेलिब्रिटी हैं। What is the name of this one again?
This drip.
Yes, this one. Flower drip.
This one, flower deep 27.
Flower deep 27,
Yes.
correct? सो माइस्ट्रोज वाइफ, उनकी बीवी जो हैं, उनने मेरे को समझाया है कि वो ये 2 अलग ड्रिपर से कॉफ़ी बनाएँगी और ब्लूम कॉफ़ी यूज़ हो रही है, जो एक्चुअली इंडिया में चंडीगढ़ के ही 2 भाइयों की बढ़िया एक ब्रांड है, जिनने मेरे को बाद में भी इस व्लॉग में कॉफ़ी पिलाई है, और मेरे इनफैक्ट कॉफ़ी वाले दोस्त ही हैं एक तरह से, जो बड़ी फ़ंकी कॉफ़ियाँ रोस्ट करते हैं एकदम फ्रेश, एब्सोल्युटली फ्रेश। सो वी आर गोना डू अ टेस्ट टेस्ट ऑफ दीज़ 2। Remember, I am not a barista. Moving towards the bloom. Now the magic begins. Side by side taste test. If you're a coffee person who knows these wonderful people, that's well and good. But if you're not, और आप नए हो कॉफ़ी में, if you're new to coffee, check this out, man. These wonderful people, because मैं तो उनको खुद भी नहीं जानता था. I had no idea who they were. I also realized that they're one of the most amazing coffee filter paper makers. As you can see, all these filter papers lying around on the table. These are the best filter papers. ये इतना बढ़िया पेपर यूज़ करते हैं, उसमें कोई मिलावट नहीं होती, कोई ब्लीच वगैरह नहीं यूज़ होता. No bleach is used. They're purely Manila hemp. Wonderful papers. I ended up using the same papers myself when I got back into pour overs, and honestly, like one set of 100 papers cost me $700. So if you're listening so deep into the video and you're interested in coffee, और आपको कॉफ़ी में दिलचस्पी है, मैंने 500 रुपये का ऐसा एक ड्रिपर लिया अमेज़ोन से, और 700 रुपये में पेपर आ गए, 100 पेपर वो भी, और बढ़िया, मतलब रोज़ इसमें कॉफ़ी बन सकती है. और क्या टेस्ट आता है, आहा हा, बढ़िया पानी, गुड वाटर इज़ बीइंग यूज, ही इज़ डूइंग टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल एज यू कैन सी, और बढ़िया तापमान को मेंटेन करते हुए इतनी आसानी से ब्रू कर रहे हैं. और आप घर पे भी ऐसे कॉफ़ी ब्रू कर सकते हो सिंपल सामग्री के साथ. इट्स सो ईजी टू डू. आई होप मोर पीपल गेट इनटू ब्रूइंग, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न दैट आई इवन मेड दिस व्लॉग एंड रिकॉर्डेड दिस व्लॉग, बिकॉज if you're a coffee nerd like me, it's almost over 60,000 people on Reddit in India who are into coffee forums. Cafic Deep 27 is a wonderful device and it's made waves around the world. इतने लोग इसमें दिलचस्पी ले रहे हैं, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि और लोग दिलचस्पी लें, ऐसी चीज़ें देखें, और मैं आपके लिए और ऐसे रिकॉर्डिंग करता रहूँगा. आगे हम सुनते हैं माइस्ट्रो की बातें. मेरी भी ले लो कोई नहीं. This one is the deep 27, right? This is the flour. This is the deep 27 that came from the one, this one right here. Definitely a lot more clarity on this one. So I see the extraction time is a little higher on this one, right?
Set coffee volume. The set coffee
Very interesting. Thank you. And the filter paper is also different, right?
special paper.
Nice. Thank you. I'm gonna need a cheers, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna need a minute to think about this a little bit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So sorry. I'm okay. I'm all right. Bloom Coffee Roasters. Shivansh behind the bar. He hooked me up last time at the bar takeover. They have this funky machine here from Benki.
Must say.
There used to be one coffee shop in JP Nagar. I don't know if around the corner. Benki.
Yeah,
You know
yeah,
Benki?
yeah.
Stand out, right? No food, no nothing, just coffee. 95 bucks. 95 bucks. Excellent coffee. Pick up
Same
one.
thing.
Brother, boom. We are gonna be having the Dali out here. You could probably realize that the coffee industry is very different. The roasters, the equipment manufacturers, and even consumers like myself are in a pretty happy relationship because everyone is united by caffeine. So if you're trying to start a cafe or if you're trying to start brewing at home, then no better time to do it than now. Just begin. We got the Sanremo D8. A lot of shouting out here. Just record this for the for the channel that I'm getting the medium light for Dali. Tart. The word is tart. So that was awesome. I'm sorry I couldn't record a lot inside. It's too much noise. But this has been a very, very interesting day. I met Bloom Coffee Roasters, El Bueno, Savor Works, all the people that I've referenced like on my Instagram, given a shout out to, all the sweet specialty coffee roasters who have been, coming from different parts of the world, different parts of the country, different parts of the specialty coffee ecosystem, and have been so nice to homebrewers like us. Very, very interesting. Great to put a face to the name. Nice cups of coffee. I have now officially had 4 cups and then 2 from the Drip Meister Cafe C producers who are from Japan, who've made this crazy deep 27 Namki, clever dripper kind of brewer. So I'm gonna summarize this vlog by saying that you should get out of your comfort zone. You should visit different experiences if you get the time to do so, and that will really change your view on coffee or tea or whatever like beverage you're interested in. Shivansh at Bloom Coffee Roasters was very helpful. I saw the Something's Brewing ecosystem where they were showing the Linea Mini and the Micra going for about 3.5 to 4 lakhs. Crazy pricing, I know. And Kapi Solutions, Benki Brewing Tools, all these names that we've seen online, and we were able to put a face to them finally. So it was a big win in general. What I will say is the worst part about coming here is the damn traffic. Now I have to navigate back there. I paid about 300 bucks for the ticket, which is normal for anyone who's coming to Aahar. If you're doing a basic visitor pass, I'll leave the photo of the bill somewhere here so you can take a look. And this gives you access to all the crazy halls here with major developments in food, packaged food, hospitality solutions, and in general I think it's pretty good. Yeah, India is making some crazy progress. I had no idea that we've come to this sort of a ecosystem where people are picking up home machines for like 3-4 lakh rupees. I'm talking specifically about coffee, but yeah, even like things in the realm of like refrigerator solutions and so on and so forth. We've come a long way. If you enjoy this vlog, make sure to comment down below, say shout out to you, the informal homie brewer, which is extremely long, so you can just say either informal, homie brewer, or that's what's up. But make sure to comment down below. Thank you for your time. You guys have been great. Come to Aahar next year. I'll be here for sure shooting content like this, and hopefully staying up to date on the latest market trends in the specialty coffee ecosystem and probably more other ecosystems in related fields. So thank you and see you on the next one.